Welcome to break 1682 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. It's 11:19 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:19 p.m. Central Time, and 8:19 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have RCJ with 3 spots, Mitch 2, Mad Dog 3, Con with 1, Brian 5, Will 2, Hebert 3, Carjo 1, and Eth with 10 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. RCJ on top, Eth on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Brian on top, Mitch on the bottom. All right, Brian, you have the Diamondbacks, Eth Braves, Mitch Orioles, Will Red Sox, Eth Cubs, Ben with the White Sox, Heber with the Reds, Brian Indians, RCJ Rockies, Eth Tigers, Heber Astros, Eth Royals Angels, Mad Dog Dodgers, Brian Marlins, RCJ Brewers, Heber Twins, RCJ Mets, Carjo Yankees, Eth Athletics, Will Phillies, Eth Pirates, Brian Padres, Eth Giants, Mad Dog Mariners, Eth Cardinals, Rays, Mad Dog Rangers, Brian Blue Jays, and last but not least, Mitch with the Washington Nationals. $16.75 is going awesome. Thank you. All right, so 1682 is all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey, that's where the card will go. And let's see, who do we have here? Gleyber Torres, Venezuela, pristine 10. Chrome update, international affair. Gleyber Torres centering 9.5, and then corners, edges, and surface 10 out of 10s. This is going to the New York Yankees. Pristine 10. Here's the back. All right, let's see who has the Yankees. The New York Yankees are going to Carjo _7520. Congrats. And now let's break 1682 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the final spot in bonus 48. Thanks.